Welcome to my Java classes. In this video we are going to discuss about nested switch case. In the previous videos I have discussed other control structures. As we are progressing, we have discussed if else, nested if else, and then switch case. And now it is the turn where we are going to discuss about how to make a simple nested switch case structure. Now all the nested switch case structures or switch case structure based programs can be written using if else. We have already discussed, but to make it more readable or to increase the readability of the code, we prefer using the structures of switch case. So today I have taken a very simple program where we are going to accept the class the user is studying along with the rank, and based on the class and the rank we are going to display the scholarship amount which the school or the institution is allowing or awarding. Now as the table shows that we have only 3 classes where the scholarship is provided. That means we don't have other classes eligible for scholarship. Plus one more thing we can see here, that is only first 3 ranks, that means top 3 students are awarded with the scholarship amount. Now as the table shows, we need to take the class, we need to take the rank, and then based on the class and the rank we are going to decide what scholarship needs to be displayed on the screen. So for this we are going to write a simple program and we are going to see how easily the whole thing can be governed in form of a switch case. Now definitely we are going to take the class of the student. Based on the class we are going to create a switch structure, and within the classes, like where we are going to select class 10, within that we are going to have another switch case structure which is going to run for the rank. Similarly, this type of switching structure which is running for rank will run 3 times within each class case. So without discussing it like this, let us see how the code is going to be written for it. So for that I'll be taking you to the IDE. So we have come to the BlueJ environment, and here I have coded a part of the program so that we can start with the actual programming portion where we need to focus. Now here I have taken 2 variables, both are of integer type because I need to run a switch case. Now in this case we have taken the class and the rank, CL for class and R for rank. I have accepted the values, and now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make a switch structure for the class. Now we, as per the given chart, we needed to actually consider only 3 classes. That means class 10. So for class 10 I'll write like this. Now next was class 11 and then class 12. So I have to cover these 3 classes. Now if something is beyond this, then in that case I needed the default class. So default case is going to display the message that the input for class is invalid. Why invalid? Because it is not belonging within the specified classes. Now if it is case 10, that means if the student is of class 10, then we need another switch case to function inside, and this is going to be based on the rank. Now how the ranking should go, I am writing the code here. You actually should follow the same indentation as it is shown in this. Now here we are going to consider case 1, and here case 1 for control structure R is going to be treated as rank 1. So what I will write, rupees 15,000. And for this we need break. Now similarly what to do for rank 2, that now needs to be written. I'll be later changing the code. For now I'm just writing it. For rank 2, the amount which was to be awarded was 10,000 and rank 3 was 7,500. And here it is going to go for default. So here one thing you all need to focus. What we did, we put case 10. Now there is a switch case. Now if I don't write break, the fall through is going to make the flow of control enter into the next case, that is case 11. So I should put a break here. Then in a similar frame, what I should do is I should cover for these also. But here what is going to change? The amount is going to change because different amounts are there for different rank holders of different classes. And here what I should display. Invalid rank. Now in a similar way, here also it should be invalid rank. Now the same thing again is going to be copied and pasted for class 12, but we will not forget to change the amounts. Now this is the complete representation of what we have seen in the chart. So I'm now going to compile it. There is no syntax error. Now what next I need to do is I need to run it. So I'll run it now. You can see it is asking me for which class. So I have put 4 and I am putting rank 1. Now if a student who has scored the top ranker student who is in class 4 enters the record, then what comes out? The input for class is invalid. Now I will be running it once more. This time I'll put a valid class, class 10, rank 1. So it is showing me the amount. Now if I put class 10, rank 5, it's going to show me invalid rank. So this is how this whole program needs to be written. As I in this case in the video cannot show you the whole code in one single go, I'll be putting it in the first comment, top comment of the video. So please see more such programs, try more such programs which are based on nested switch case, and then if you in the process find any difficulty, then please put it in the comments. I will surely take up in my next video. So till then, keep coding. Thank you.